Hi guys.
Wait, what happened to my voice? Oh, my voice. Dot is broken.
Hello, Mother FK.
Oh my goodness, not again.
Ha 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 ha.
Get out of my video.
Why, what did I do?
You made me got scared.
I'm sorry.
No, you get out. Now today video, I'm gonna watch caseoh, cat kitty undress impressed.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Chat, have y'all seen the leaks, dude? Kitty got leaked, bro. How? The dress to impress code for chat. Kitty is in dress to impress, man. She's in there. Chat, I haven't been on there. I gotta see it. I got to. Yo, Gorb with the 5. Chat, who in here has the code? Bro, I opened up Twitter today and saw, like, dude, what is a golden kappa level 13? What is that? Chat, I was getting tagged all over in Twitter today talking about, oh, we figured out the kitty code. How did y'all figure it out already? Hold on. Hold on, chat, I gotta see it, bro. I've been waiting. I have not been on Roblox at all. I don't even have the code yet. There's people that got it and I ain't even got it yet. Dude, chat, we got our own code and dress to impress, baby. Let's go! That's what I'm talking about, baby. Come on. Huh? Case, can I tell you something? Well, you just sold because I'm never going to see your second message. GG, buddy. Buddy, you should have just said it, man. You sold. Bro, what did you do? Man, there's 351,000 people playing Dress to Impress right now. Oh my goodness, what? There is 351,000 people playing. Yo! Bruh! It's because Kitty's in the game, huh? I know they're there for Kitty. Yo, Joseph with the 5. See, chat, Kitty's inspirational. Kitty! The code is kittyyyy. Yeah, I actually created the code. We were trying to type it in so y'all couldn't pre-guess it, but I guess y'all pre-guessed it anyway. Hold on. I'm gonna back out of this lobby, but I gotta see it. Wait, is it in all caps? Hold on. Hold on, chat, hold on. Kitty! Let's go! Kitty! Kitty! Kitty, you're in the game, look! Kitty, you're in the game! Look! Kitty! Man, she don't even care, man! Hold on! She in the game! Yo, Walter with the 25 gifted. W. Walter with the 25 gifted. Chat, I'm so crunk, dude. Chat, I'm so crunk. Hold on. Equip it. Oh my goodness, it's literally Yo! Let's go, man! Hey! Chat, W dress to impress. We got our own code, man. Dude, it's Kitty, man. Yo, Possum with the 5, appreciate you. I'm not gonna lie, chat, Kitty might have to be in every fit now. Chat, I'm not gonna lie, she might have to be in every fit, dude. I was here, chat, I was here. What, how did people find it? Yeah, how did it get leaked? How did y'all find it so quick? Wait, is there more codes? Bro, this is so cool. This is like the coolest thing ever, man. Dude, this is the coolest thing ever, man. Hey, man, come on, dude. Yo, Super with the 10 gift, appreciate you. Fashion? What is that? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, everybody's in danger. Oh my goodness, I'm about to be slaying like never before, dude. Y'all are cooked, man. Is there more? Yo, Miss Michaela with the 10, get the W, Miss.
I shoot,